Hello and welcome back to Baby We Eat. Today we are making 15 bean soup. For our ingredients, we have smoked neck bones, we have garlic, green bell peppers, onions, and we have bone-in ham shank. And of course the 15 bean soup. Here we're going to start off washing our beans. You want to make sure that they're clean and you pick through and take out all the bad beans. You know, the ones that don't look too good. We're going to take those out and we're going to discard them. And then we're going to move on. I just think this array of beans are just so pretty when you're washing them. And you can see the different colors and the different shapes. I just think it's really cool. But anyways, so now that we add our water to our crock pot, we're going to add our beans to our crock pot. Now we're going to add in the chopped garlic. I'm going to add in the green bell peppers. I'm going to add some red onions. And now we're going to add the ham. And now we're going to add the smoked neck bones. And now you're going to add that ham seasoning to it. Now I'm just going to add a little garlic powder and a little of Tony's Creole seasoning. I add that on everything. Okay, so we're going to set this on high and I'm going to cook it for 4 hours and we're going to come back and we're going to just show you how delicious this 15 bean soup looks. Oh my God, it was so good. I picked out all the bones out of the meat. So that's what I'm just showing you here. And we're gonna mix it up good. And it cooked for 4 hours. And it was done to my liking. You know, this is one of those meals that you could just walk away and forget about it. And it has the house smelling so good. So we enjoyed it. It was delicious. If you haven't tried 15 bean soup, where have you been? I suggest you try, especially here in Florida. Our temperature dipped just a little bit where we had to put on a little something on our arms. But other than that, yeah, we have made 15 bean soup. This is about the easiest meal you can make with some rice and some cornbread, and it is so delicious. This will last us for a couple of days. So we have made 15 bean soup. I want to thank you for watching Baby We Eats, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.